this country have voted Mr. Modi into power for the third time. Don't you dare call us anti-national. How dare you call us anti-national? You are anti-national.
This debate has taken a serious turn, viewers.
That's nonsense. In spite of it that we are in a time of war.
You should have detached yourself from what Rahul Gandhi has said or done. You should have disowned it. You should have condemned it. But today, Aam Aadmi Party, I see, is supporting it directly or indirectly. Jyotsna.
Don't do anything. Arnaji, I have a question to Piyush ji and also Razak ji. My question is, sir, 1 minute, Piyush ji, 1 minute. You are questioning the nationalists, you are questioning whatnot, you have used terms. I'm not even talking about it. Arnav ji will deal with it. My point is, आज यहाँ बैठ के आप रजाक जी बोल रहे हैं, show me the number of fighter jets that have been damaged. Should give me the number. कितने लोगों को क्या हुआ? कितने soldiers ये हो गए? You are asking us all these questions. Now, the point is, do you even understand that Operation Sindoor is still on? It's an announcement from the army that the Operation Sindoor is still on. When the operation is still on, you are here sitting on TVs and demanding, I'm sorry, sir. Listen to me first. I'm sorry. I'm here to talk and I talk. Your own MP. Sir, your own MLA. Sir, listen. Your own MLA. Manjunath.
Why did he go down to Trump? What is
one second, Razak.
Why are things not clear?
1 second.
Is that because there is no election? Is that because there is no election during surgical strike?
Razak ji, 1 minute रुक जाओ. 1 minute रुक जाओ. Your own MLA Manjunath said, ऐसे उड़ा है. It's all
अरे पूछना गलत है.
No, this has gone too far. Ladies and gentlemen, Rahul Gandhi has taken, in my view, a patently and clear pro-Pakistan line. He should issue an apology for what he has done or said. Standing against national interest has become his habit. He doesn't even believe India as a nation.